This is room R206 on the 4th floor, Riviera. This is an ocean view room. So we've actually already been here for about 2 days, so our stuff is everywhere, so don't mind that. So the bed, and then there's also a pull-out bed here, which we won't be using that. A TV, and here's the ocean view. We're actually at the Freeport, Bahamas port right now. So this room is on the port side. And one good thing to know if you're planning to use this pull down bed is that the ladder for it is in the closet. So I've actually heard a couple people on the ship that didn't realize the ladder was in the closet. So there's the ladder, some hanging space, your life jackets. Here's some more storage. And some more storage over here as well. And here's your safe where you just put your code in and you can put your valuables in there. Some more shelves. Down here, there's a drawer with a blow dryer. And this is your cooler refrigerator.
It really isn't cold like you would expect or like we've seen on other ships. But we did hear of people that would keep an ice bucket inside to keep their drinks cold in there. We just chose not to use it at all.
And here's the bathroom. Shower, a sink, toilet, really basic.